How to verify your Bitget account. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to verify your Bitget account so you can start trading securely. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Bitget website or open the Bitget app and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Identity Verification or KYC from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Now it's time to upload your documents. You'll need to provide a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license and sometimes a selfie to verify your identity. Once your documents are uploaded, simply click Submit to send your verification request. Bitget will process your application, which usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. And that's it. Now you know how to verify your Bitget account.